like life's a search, and you're the juggler, clown, and ringmaster too. Your plans are scattered, your sock don't match you. Time to do what the grown-ups do. It's not magic, it's not luck. You just round up your cares and line it up. Woke up late, head in the fog, running in circles, lost in the slog, burning the candle at both ends again. No surprise, I'm feeling drained. Then my mama gave me a grin, said, let me tell you where to begin. Get your ducks in a row, line them up, take it slow. One small win will help you grow. Face the day, don't put on a show. These friends, when your ducks are in a row. They don't mean birds in a marching line. It means get things straight and you do just fine. Make a plan, don't wing it blind. Plus flying by the seat of your pants ain't kind. You gotta bite the bullet, face the storm, cross that bridge and break from the norm. Get your ducks in a row, stack your cards, play it smart. Don't put the horse behind the car. Cut through the north, let your focus show. You'll go far when your ducks are in a row. When your ducks are in a row. You're skating on thin ice, chasing your tail, carrying the world like a ship with no sail. Now it's time to hit the nail on the head, make your bed and sleep in it like mama said. Get your ducks in a row. Get your ducks in a row. Your ducks are in a row. Don't cry over spilled milk, just clean it up. Pull yourself up when the going gets tough. You're not barking up the wrong tree, you know. Just need to let the small stuff go. And once you stop kicking the can down the road, you find it's easier to carry the load. Get your ducks in a row, clear your plates, take control. Life's a puzzle, but you hold the whole. Piece by piece, you'll start to glow when you finally get your ducks in a row. So don't wait for the cows to come home, oh no. Start today. Get your ducks in a row.